How to see not interested posts on Instagram. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram application and it will lead you directly to your homepage, right? Now, the next thing that you want to do is, of course, we have to set a post that we want to set it to not interested. So let's say this one, tap on the three dots here and tap on not interested. So to be able to look for that is what you want to do is to go here to your profile icon. On the bottom part, you will see 5 different options there, right? Tap on your profile icon here and it will lead you to profile page. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to tap on the three dash lines or the burger icon in the upper right there and tap on settings and tap on your activity. Now, under your activity here, tap on interactions and tap on not interested. It's actually the very last option. Tap on not interested. And here you will see all your not interested posts on Instagram. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.